A very good morning, my dear students of class 9th. Act 2, Scene 2, we are studying nowadays. Now, line number 95, the speech of Gobo. I am going to read the extract. You please open line number 95, Act 2, Scene 2. The speech of Gobo. Lord, how art thou changed? How dost thou and thy master agree? I have brought him a present, how agree you now? Lord, how much you have changed. You have changed very much. How do you and your master get along? How do you and your master get along? I have brought him a present. Do you agree to give it to him? Lancelot says, well, but for mine own part, as I have set up my race to run away. Well, as far as I am concerned, I have decided to run away. So I will not rest till I have run some ground. So I will not rest till I reach some distance. My master's a very Jew, give him a present. Give him a halter. He says, my master is a Jew in every sense. Give him a present. Give him rather a rope to hang himself. It would be better for him. I am famished in his service. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. I always go hungry. I always go hungry in his service, and you could feel with your finger every rib in my body. Father, I am glad you are come. Give me a present to one Master Bassanio, who indeed gives rare now liveries. Father, I am glad you have come. Give your present to one Master Bassanio, who gives his servant brand new uniforms. If I serve not him, I will run as far as God has any ground. He says, if I cannot serve him, serve Bassanio, I will run away until I reach the boundary of God's earth. Oh, rare fortune! Here comes the man. To him, Father, for I am a Jew, if I serve the Jew any longer. Oh, how fortunate, how I am lucky. Here comes the same gentleman. Go to him, Father, for I will be a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer. My new master Bassanio has come. Go to him, Father, for I will be a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer. Enter Bassanio with Leonardo and other followers. Leonardo is the servant of Bassanio. Bassanio says, you may do so, but let it be so hasted that supper be ready at the farthest by 5 of the clock. To a servant he says, you may do so, but do it as fast so that supper is ready latest by 5 o'clock. See these letters delivered. Put the liveries to making and desire Bassanio to come anon to my lodging. Take care that these letters are delivered. Place orders for the servant uniforms and request Gratiano to come immediately to my house. Bassanio orders his servant to do all this work. The servant goes out. Lancelot says to him, Father, pushing his father towards Bassanio. Lancelot says, Go to him, father. Go, God bless your worship. God bless you, sir. Bassanio says, Gramercy, wouldst thou aught with me? Thank you, and may God's mercy be on you. Do you want anything from me? Gobbo says, Here's my son, sir, a poor boy. Lancelot says, Not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jews man that would serve as my father shall specify. Not a poor boy, sir, but a servant of the rich Jew. He wishes, sir, as my father will explain. What he wishes, my father will explain. Gobbo says, He has a great infection, sir, as one would say to sir. He is very keen, sir, to serve you, as one might say. Lancelot says, Indeed, the short and long is, I serve the Jew and have a desire as my father shall specify. Indeed, the long and the short of it is that I am in the service of the Jew and wish as my father will explain. What I wish, my father will explain. Gobbo says his master and he is saving your worship's reverence are scarce, tatter cousins. His master and he, with all due respect to you, sir, hardly get along with each other. Lancelot said, To be brief, the very truth is that the Jew, having done me wrong, doth cause me, as my father being, I hope, an old man, shall fructify unto you. In short, the truth is that the Jew has done injustice to me. He has caused me, as my old father will tell you. Gobbo says, I have here a dish of doves that I would bestow upon your worship, and my suit is, I have brought a dish of doves which I would like to give it to you, sir, and my request is, Lancelot says, in very brief, the suit is impertinent to myself, as your worship shall know by this honest old man. And though I say it, though old man, yet poor man, my father. Lancelot says, in short, his request is concerning me. Your honor will come to know about it from this honest old man. Although I, his son, say it, he is my father, though old and poor. Bassanio says, One speak for both. What would you? Let one of you speak for both. What do you want? Lancelot says, Serve you, sir. To serve you, sir. I want to serve you, sir. Gobbo said, That is the very defect of the matter. Gobbo says every word opposite. Gobbo said, That is the gist of our request, sir. Bassanio says, I know thee well, thou hast obtained thy suit. Shylock, thy master, spoke with me this day, and hath preferred thee. If it is preferment to leave a rich Jew's service to become the follower of so poor a gentleman. I know you well, and I agree to your request. Shylock, your master, spoke to me about you today. He has recommended you to me if it is a promotion to leave the service of a rich Jew to serve a poor man like me. Is this the promotion? If he thinks so, then okay. And what happens after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much.